So this is the potential earnings that you can make right now. Right over here, you could see there's $20. There's $20 if you use a desktop or a laptop. If you use a mobile or you got a phone, you can get $9 over here. So 850, 850. So this is the potential amount of money that you can be making on this brand new website, and you can earn free money right now. And I'm going to share with you exactly what you need to do. I'm going to show you step by step the entire process. And the good thing about this, that all countries are counted. So it doesn't matter where you are. This is going to be like a pay-per-view. You're going to get paid for every unique click. And I'm even going to show you how you can maximize your results and get 15% on a friend, a family member who signs up. You're going to even get more money. So keep watching this video because I'm going to show you a step-by-step of exactly what to do. So if this is your first time on YouTube, my YouTube channel, welcome. My name is Andre. I create brand new videos like this, and every time I come up with an awesome video, guess what? If you subscribe to this YouTube channel, you're going to be the first one to know. You're going to be the first one to implement this method, so that way you're going to be ahead of everybody else. And the people who watch this video all the way to the end, you're going to know this brand new website that I'm going to be sharing with you on here. And the people who just skip this and keep watching multiple YouTube videos time and time again, you're not going to be able to make $9 per view. You're not going to be able to make another $9 if you got a phone, even 15 or even $20. So let's get to it. Let's get started because I'm going to show with you a couple different websites, and it's going to be a little hack that you're going to do where you can also get more results right away. So the website that we're going to be talking about is a website that is called x.io. So EXIO, and there it is right there. All you got to do is just type it in and go over. And as soon as you go, the next thing that you have to do is register. So once you register, as soon as you register for it, you're going to be sent right to the dashboard. Now, this is a brand new account. It's an account that I haven't even used it. So you'll see that you won't see any commissions or anything reflect on here. But I just wanted to share with you that this is possible, that you can start earning and you can start making money right away. So if you want to withdraw money later on, these are some of the payment options that I told you. So the next payment will be May 5th, 2021. I'm creating this video, so that's every week or weekly on Wednesday, they will pay you money. So that's how it works. When you reach the minimum payout, you could just withdraw your money. So every weekly, every Wednesday, you could start making money and you can start withdrawing into your account. So you could start withdraw. You could click on here. And are you sure you want to withdraw? You will click on this tab that says, yes, I'm not withdrawing anything because there's absolutely no money in there. So how does this particular website work? How does this new website work that you can start earning money? Now, the first thing we want to do is we want to go over to Google. So you just go to google.com. And while you're here over google.com, the good thing about this is we're going to find things that are popular. And one of the most things that actually go viral is the gaming niche. So we can type in game. So we can type in gaming blogs. We can come up with gaming ideas, and we could do these things. So we could find the content and the gaming things that's going to go viral. For example, top 100 video games. This came out 3 days ago. So the good thing about this, you could find different content. You can find different blogs that comes out all the time. So if you go here and you could see that this just came out, this is brand new, this is like 3 days ago. You could find content that released an hour ago, content that released 2 hours ago, 3 hours ago. And what we're going to be doing, we're going to be doing what we call a backlinking. So we're going to backlink to this particular website, to this particular blog, because the gamers, they're going to be very excited and they're going to be super interesting because they want to know exactly what is the hottest games, because they're gamers. That's all they do. They're going to be interested in those things. So what we're going to be doing, and I'm going to show you step by step. So step number one, the first thing you want to do, you want to copy this URL link. So you want to copy this link. So I'm going to copy this URL link. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to go right over to this brand new website. and over the x.io. And the next thing that I'm going to do, I'm going to go here and I'm going to be creating a URL shorten link. So stay with me here. Once I create this URL shorten link, all I have to do is click on create, and then what it's going to do, it's going to give me this very smaller link. So do keep in mind that this link is here. This is step number 1. Now the next thing we're going to be doing, we're going to go to step number 2. So when we go over to step number 2, we're going to go to a particular website, and the website is called eZine Articles. So right over here, as you can see, eZine Articles. So go to eZinearticles.com. And then the next thing we're going to do, we're going to find gaming articles. So these are free royalty articles that you can reuse. So we're going to click on this. And once we click on this and we scroll up here, there's gaming, there's consoles, there's video review, game reviews, communities, console, online gaming communities, computer games. So for this one, we're going to click on gaming. Now here are some of the different articles that are here that is ready to go. Clash of Clans most amazing fact. Here's why you should order Castle Netria Heroic Boost. So you know how it is. I'm not a gamer, so this is going to be super, super fun, right? So we're going to find something that's going to be in the gaming, particular to what the article that we just get. So this article is 10 top 100 video games news website bloggers influencers. Okay, so it's all about the gaming. So what we're going to be doing is we need to make sure that we find a good something that is going to be attractive and something that is going to go potential viral, because once we do that, we're going to be able to make money, and I'm going to show you exactly what to do. So perfect example, let's say the 5 advantages of playing online casino games. Well, it doesn't have to be online casino games. We can even go here as well. We can find this one as well. Enjoy playing poker. Now, we don't have to go into that, but let's go back up a little bit, because it seems like this gaming article is giving us something different. So we're going to go click on gaming, and we're going to go with computer games, right? So we go with computer games, and we're going to find something that's going to be very, very good. And you could take your time and go through all these stuff, and then you can read. Now, a new season in gaming. Top reasons to love PC games. This is perfect. So if I click on this right here, what you're going to see that, this article has been around. You could copy this entire thing as long as we're going to be given credit. Now, we don't need to figure out how to do all this stuff, but all we got to do is just copy the entire thing. And then the next thing we're going to be doing is we're going to be heading over to this particular website. And the website that we're going to be talking about is medium.com. So when we go to medium.com and you sign in, once you sign in, now we're going to be writing a story. So we click on here. We're going to write this, it's already there. No need to reinvent the wheel. All we got to do is just use the same thing that is here. So just copy this, because the link is already there. The author for this, they know that, hey, people do this all the time. So you want to do this, you could just copy this thing, and you can make this bold. You could do the same thing here. You can make it like this if you want. You can make it like this if you want. And you can make it like that if you want. Now we're going to do that. All right, scroll down here, the same thing. We're going to bold it. So we're going to make it look good. Now you could get some pictures over here. So if you go to Pexels, go to pexel.com. And once you go over to Pexels, which is step number 3, Pexels, very good. So P-E-X, right over here, as you can see, that's how it spells. Now, this is step number 3. The next thing we're going to be doing is we're going to be finding gaming. We're going to be finding gaming pictures. So we can find these gaming pictures. We can download this picture right here. And once we download it, now the next thing we're going to do is put it on the desktop. We're going to head back over here, and we can add a picture somewhere in here. So if I click on this little icon, once I click on it, I click on this, then all I have to do is just find me that picture that I just screenshot, and I just download the picture. Now, for the sake of this video, I'm not going to take up too much of the time try to find the picture, but I know it's somewhere on here. But let's say I find a picture, right? Find a picture, and then all you got to do is just upload it, and the picture will be in here. I don't want to make this video too long, right? So the picture is going to be in here. Then the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to go back over to step number 4. So step number 4 is we're going to be heading and we're going to copy this link. So we copy the link. We're going to go back over here over to medium.com, and we're going to insert the link a few different places, right? We can put it here, and this icon right here, copy this, paste it, hit enter, it's already in. We can put it somewhere down here. We can put it down here. All you got to do is just copy it like that. Once you copy, put up the link, paste it in, hit enter, and then you're good to go. Then we're going to publish it. Once you publish it, you're going to be having that link. Now, here we go with step number 6. I don't even know what step that I'm on, but maybe I skip 5, but this is the final step. Now, once you copy this link of this particular medium, you're going to copy the link, right? Because once you publish, all you got to do is you can share the draft link, but this is the draft link. But as soon as you publish it, you will have the link where you can copy. Now you're going to take this link and you're going to head over to the final step, which is over on Reddit. There's a lot of gamers on Reddit. If you just copy this link and go post it on Reddit, chances are you're going to get blocked. They're going to kick you off the platform. So we're going a few different steps. We're going 2 more steps so they don't block us, they don't kick us off the platform, and they don't flag us. So once you do that, all you got to do is find like the most popular different gaming areas, and all you have to say is, hey guys, check out this brand new top 100 amazing article that I just found. I think you guys are going to love it. You can read it and you can share it. Now, you're not going to spam it all over the place, but you're going to write a cool little headline, and then you're going to post it. So guess what? This thing is going to go viral, and as soon as it goes viral, guess what? You're going to see this starts changing because people are going to be clicking on it. So every time people click on the link and they watch the ad in front of that, guess what? You're going to get paid for it. So that's the beauty about it. And then these are going to be the payouts of people going, it all depends. If people are in the US, you're going to get higher commission. People in Greenland, higher commission. People in Ireland. So it doesn't matter where you are in the world. As long as people are clicking on it, you're going to get paid. So that is the good thing. All they have to do is just watch the ads and you're going to see money coming in. And the good thing is you can get paid in PayPal. You can get paid in Bitcoin, Pioneer, AirTM, or Amazon. So I hope this video helps. I hope you watch this video, like, subscribe. Right now we're at 8,000 people, and I think I really want to do a giveaway. So if you want me to do a giveaway, type it down below and say giveaway, and I could just do that right now. So thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next video. Peace.